Welcome back to BGP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now. Now today, guys, I just want to show you guys the best mod that you guys can do to your Jeep. Every Jeep needs this, and this is going to be this really sweet $12 phone. I'm just kidding. That's absolutely a joke, guys. That's not what this video is about. We're going to be talking about the future mod plans for this Jeep and for my new SRT here on the channel. You guys have been stoked and you guys have been hyped on it. It's extremely dirty as usual. You know, that's kind of how I keep my Jeep always. Yeah. Anyways, I'm going to be out here in the freezing cold, so I hope you guys do appreciate this video, but we're going to be talking about the different mods that I have planned for my Jeep Grand Cherokee. These are my current ones because, you know, it's ever changing, and you always have things that you want to do, and you always have things that you're going to do to your Jeep and just to your car in general that you're going to modify. So we're going to be talking about just over the mods and just walk around the outside and the inside and talk about what I have planned currently, and maybe talk about why I'm not doing it, because, yeah, there's a reason why a lot of it hasn't been done yet. So you guys know it has the window tint on the sides. I actually have to remove that, and because I have to get it inspected because I bought it over state lines. So I have to get it inspected on my own, and then they reimburse me. So I'm waiting for the registration to be all sorted out by them, and then we'll go ahead and get things figured out here and get it tinted, get all the other stuff that I want to get done to it, or that I already have that I just can't put on because I need to get that inspection, but I need the registration. So big holdup at the dealership, and that's what's going on with that. Obviously, guys, this front plate is going to come off. I mean, it sucks because I'm gonna end up having to get this professionally fixed and repaired. It's like $400 or $500, but it is something that I want to do because it is an SRT, so I want to go all the way. Probably do plugs first, and then like I did previously, I'll probably make a video doing that again, but you know, much better like we're doing here on the channel. Everything's kind of the same but better, you know. We're gonna be getting rid of that, of course, on the front, you know, get rid of the front plate. Probably debadging in the future. We'll see what's gonna happen. Might get a custom name there or something. Might get like Peach or something, I don't know, BJP on there, Beej, I don't know. But yeah, Grand Cherokee, stuff like that. We might take that off. I don't know yet if we're gonna fully debadge it or not, you know. It's something in the works. Black lugs for sure down here. I gotta figure out what I want to do. I'm thinking the Gorilla lugs because they should last and hold up a little bit longer. Plus they're locking, so it's a little bit safer. I just want you guys to know it is so cold out here today, guys. I think it's like probably 10 degrees with wind chill, and you know, had to care about the drip more important than being warm today. Anyways, Crux Motorsports sent out the full kit and everything. That'll be coming soon. Shout out to those guys. They're really good. They're David over there's a really good guy, and I want you guys to support them with the Crux Motorsports stuff. Always, because you know they've always supported the channel here even when I had like no subscribers, so we'll keep them on the channel as long as I have a Jeep. Probably update this, get a new one just because it's really old and dirty. Obviously exhaust, you know, we gotta get an exhaust coming, you know, like eventually it's gonna come. You guys can see my stickers, you know, from the ice scraping off. Yeah, you know, we're not gonna talk about that. That will get fixed. I think we're gonna do 15% tint on the sides, 35 on the windshield like usual. And for the outside, that's pretty much it right now. I do have some bigger things like wrapping the roof, you know, getting a full wrap, things like that, but I'm not gonna leak any of that right now, but you know, it might come in the future. But let's just go ahead and jump inside and talk about the rest of the things because I'm absolutely shivering. My hands are about to fall off, and I don't do good with the cold.
12 seconds later.
All right, guys, so on the inside here, there's obviously a million other plans. I mean, not just on the inside, just in the future in general, but I can't stand outside and talk about everything right now. It's freezing. I mean, it needs to warm up here ASAP. I need to get out of here and get to somewhere nice and somewhere warm because this is just not it for me at all. Cold is not my friend, you guys know. Nice and skinny, so it doesn't really work out. I need some blubber or something to keep me warm. Anyways, future mods that are coming shortly will probably be the lugs. Like I said, you know, that's got to get done. You know, black those out. Floor mats, all weather floor mats coming soon. I do believe that I might be having a company work with me on those that I want to check out and get like an actual test on. But we'll see what's gonna happen with that because it could be good, could be bad. We'll see what's gonna happen in the future, but hopefully it works out. Interior, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna vinyl wrap anything yet. I'm thinking maybe like the silver everywhere and get that some sort of custom thing. I don't know. I gotta think about the color scheme that I want to do and everything, if I want to do the red. If not, if I do want to do the red, then that means these guys gotta go to red seatbelts. I'm trying to figure out the Mopar part number for these so I can get them. If you guys do know the Mopar part numbers, at least for the front two, I don't really care about the back, I just care about the front two. If you guys know that, let me know down in the comment section down below because, you know, I'm in the market and I'm looking to do that. On that same note, if you guys have any leads on a carbon piece over here for in front of the passenger seat by the glove box, then let me know. You know, I'm looking for a cheap version of that. I don't really want to spend too much. That's another big thing, guys, is I just bought the car, you know, got the big payment and everything. So, you know, I'm kind of trying to figure everything out. Plus, you know, your boy's self-employed, so I didn't really pay quarterly taxes last year, and I was just kind of getting things figured out. So I owe right now, so I got to pay a big payout for taxes, which kind of takes a damper on the payments for all the mods that I want to do on the car. Now, obviously, like I said, window tint is obviously something that's going to come, probably 15, 35. I think that'll be good. If I could do 15, I had to do 20 before, so I kind of want to do 15. That might be good. And then, yeah, obviously intake, exhaust, you know, there's the two options here where I go full plan and I just go all the way in the future, and I do like a RIP supercharger, full catback or full exhaust with no cats. I do cam, headers, like everything, you know, just do the whole entire build, which might come in the future. We'll see what's going to happen. I don't really know. I can't promise anything, but I can promise you that eventually when I go to do something with the suspension, because I probably want to do, I don't know, we'll see. I just love the look of these wheels, but I really feel like I want to do 22s and do something different color scheme, do something crazy, you know, really make this thing awesome and just make it pop for the channel. Because this channel, guys, we're going 50, 100K this year. So if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now, because the content is just slamming, boys, and it's only going to get better and better as the weather starts to warm up and we start doing mods here on the channel. Like I said, the one thing that I can promise you is whenever I get wheels and tires and I decide to do suspension, I'm not just going to put it on some springs. I'm going to bag it, because I don't know, I hate being super low. Like, it drives me nuts. That's why I got rid of the Scat. So I don't want to be super low all the time. I want to drive at normal ride height, just be cruising, and then be able to pull up somewhere and just drop it. So yeah, guys, I have a bunch of big mods, I have a bunch of small mods. You know, it's kind of varying right now as to what I want to do. If you guys have any suggestions of things that I could do that are cheap, that you guys think make a difference in the vehicle, then let me know, because, you know, intake, all that kind of stuff I could do. But for the most part, most of the mods I want to do are like $300 to like $5,000 plus. So, you know, I'm kind of like needing to figure out and budget and, you know, make business expenses here for the channel. So I need to figure out what I need to do and how I need to do it, and, you know, the kind of order of things I want to do. Obviously going to start small with all the different things and work with some different sponsors to get some parts here on the channel. And like I said, on that same note, if you guys do know anyone that has a parts company or anything for the Jeep that would be good on my SRT and they want to work, promote it on the channel, you guys know influencer marketing is the ka-ching for marketing right now. A lot of companies are behind on that, so if you guys want to get in, let me know. But yeah, guys, the red seat belts, unless I do a different color scheme, in which case I might get some custom seat belts made, you know, do some different things. I kind of want to be different with this one, man. Everybody has the Borla Attack exhaust. I don't want to do the Borla Attack exhaust because everyone has it, so I'm trying to work and figure out some different options. The other option is like the resonator delete, right, or the mid muffler delete. You remove that big suitcase and it sounds a lot better. Problem is you have like the valve things in the back and they rattle, and if you don't want them to rattle, then you have to put like weld them or just take them out and seal them shut. And then what happens is a lot of times you get a check engine light, and I don't want a check engine light right now. I'd rather have a full system that like most likely isn't going to give me a check engine light. You know, I just probably already have other issues going on with the Jeep, but we'll talk about that later. But yeah, guys, I know there's a bunch of other stuff that I'm missing that I want to do to the Jeep in this video, but you know, that's the majority of the bigger things that I have planned and things that I plan to do. Oh, and another thing is the catch can. Again, probably going to work with someone and have someone send that out, because, you know, some people are smart with marketing and they want their brand to succeed, so shout out to them. But yeah, guys, as far as things go, those are kind of the future plans right now that I can think of off the top of my head just looking at it. So if you guys, like I said, have any comments or anything that you guys think I should do, let me know down below, and I'll be sure to look into them. You know, I'm always interested for suggestions and stuff like that. It's a big community here of Jeep people, so let's go ahead and make it grow. But if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button down below right now. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.